Hello, this is a quick tutorial on a new feature that we have that we can use within Blackboard in our courses, which is especially relevant and useful for those of us that are using videos and embed videos into our course content and into our lectures. What's really cool about this program, which is called Yuja, is that you can actually insert several different things into your videos. One of the most useful features that I have found with Yuja is that you can actually insert quizzes or quiz questions into a video that you're having your students watch. It could also be a survey or it could be anything that you want. But if you are looking to add quiz questions into these videos to ensure that your students are watching them, it's kind of a useful tool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to very quickly show you how to potentially add not only Yuja to your Blackboard courses, but also how to upload a video to Yuja, and also how to add a quiz into that video. So very quickly, I will be using my HMDT 208 cost control course as a shell to do this. So hopefully it's all going to work. All right. So the first thing you do is you want to add Yuja as your tool within Blackboard. So right here, you would click on the add, and it is under the tool link. You can just go in and find it. It's going to be all the way to the bottom, and how it appears on your main menu is up to you. I just call it Yuja. So you can just go ahead and add that in, submit it, and it will just appear on the bottom here. Obviously, you can move it wherever you want. I already have Yuja on there. I just did that step to show you guys how to add it, but obviously I can actually delete one of them. There we go. Yep, we can delete it, and I only have one left. Okay, once Yuja pulls up, it will just be a place where you can store your media. It's a great way that you can actually store your videos by course or class, whatever you want to do. It's just one place to have all of your recordings that you use in your classes. Now you can upload your own videos, you can upload videos from YouTube or from whatever source you might be pulling from. This is just a great way to manage them and share them, whatever it is. So there's other features that you can use these videos for, but I will just go ahead and show you a specific one to add to a specific course and make it into a quiz. So you can add a new folder. Let's go ahead and just name this HMDT 208 quiz material. Okay, I'm going to save that, and there will be my little folder where we can store all that material. I am going to upload a new video, and what I'm going to use for this, I'm actually going to use a video that I have already uploaded to my YouTube account where I keep a lot of my lecture videos, but you can upload audio, anything that you want. There's so many different places that you can do this and different ways that you can do it. What I'm going to do is I already have a video that I have in mind that I want to use, so I will just go to my YouTube channel that I have, and I will be sharing this via a video link. So I'm just going to copy that and move it into my Yuja. It should work. Oh, there it is. Okay. I was impatient. I will name it. You can also put a description. You can do whatever kind of you want. You can import it from, all that stuff, but I'm just kind of doing this quickly. There's many actions you can kind of play around with that. Once your video is in Yuja, then you have a lot of different things that you can do with it. You can edit it, you can add different parts to it, play around with it, whatever it is. In Yuja, it's kind of cool stuff. One of the things that, like I said before, you can actually add, still uploading, I apologize, wait for it to go. We can actually go ahead and add a quiz to the actual video itself. Now, you could also add a video link as you're speaking about something, or let's say there is a point in a video that you are sharing where it's speaking about a topic, and at this point you're like, you know what, I want my students to have access to whatever they're talking about, and you can link a video, a different URL to another site while the video is going on. All of those things are available. That's why it's really, really cool. I am going to add a quiz to go along with this lecture that I have. Now, what's really cool is you will get to choose what point in the video you want this quiz to appear. So in my video, I am going to choose that I want this quiz to appear at 1:25. That's just what I decided that I wanted to do. And I wanted to add a question. So you can choose what kind of question you'd like to ask. Is it going to be true and false? Is it going to be multiple choice? Whatever. I am just going to, for the purposes, do a true and false question. This one is on grains. So I will just say, you know, brown rice is more than white rice. Okay, so brown rice is more nutritious than white rice, and I am going to say true as an answer to this, and I am going to save it. So now I know that 1:25 of my video, I will have a question that will pop up for my students, which is, you know, is brown rice more nutritious than white rice? Okay, so as I'm done, I can go ahead and save this, and it will now save. I think it's asking me for, oh, I didn't give it a title. I'm so sorry. So grains quiz, all right, that, okay, now I can save it. All right, after my quiz is saved, I can go ahead and post this, which will, it will ask me which course I would like to post this in. I'm going to post this into my 208 course, and it will already go into my bank. I can actually move it into whichever, you know, wherever I want to keep it. Since I already made HMG 208 quiz material folder, let's just pop it in there. And that's just more for my housekeeping. Okay. Now let's go back into my course and let's add this quiz to an actual course module. Now I don't have this course posted yet, so I actually cannot go into the student view, which is what I recommend when you are checking this. But here I am just going to have this, and I'm going to want to add this into the first module or whatever module, just for the purposes. And what we're going to do is you are going to build this into your content. It's really cool because it connects to your gradebook. And while, oh, I forgot to put in that point. As you're developing the quiz question, you can actually put how many points you want it to be for every single question. That's all in there. You can go edit it, whatever that may be. So where you can find the Yuja material is right here, Yuja Media Chooser. Okay, so once you put in that, once you pop that right in there, I'm in the module where I want this quiz and this video to be, and I know where everything, this is already my bank of my HMG 208 materials. I will just go right in, select it, and ask it to insert the content into my module. And then if I go right here, all the way in the bottom, here is my grains quiz. And once the students were to open it, they would actually be able to do that. Now, you can actually go and test it for yourself. As you can see right here, as you can see that there's a question. The students actually can see that when they actually start the video quiz. They'll be able to see how many quizzes they have. They'll know how long it is. You can control. Does the video have to stop? Do they have to get the question correctly? Can they go back? Whatever it is, right? That's completely up to you. But for, you know, this specific thing, what I did is I went, and if we fast forward, I know it's at 1:25. So what we will do is I'll kind of move it right there. And at 1:25, the video stops. Now this, I have it set for 1 point. And at this point, the student has a choice what they're going to do, right? They can actually skip it for now and go back to it, finish it. They can go ahead and select the answer and save their answer. Then it's going to allow them to go back and finish the video. Now, they can actually, the submit button for the quiz is here, so they can finish the entire video and then go back to the quizzes. This is all you can select that. I usually let them go back, finish the video, and then go back and finish the quizzes. After they do that, they can always go back to that. Then it will ask them to submit it. Once they submit it, it's submitted. And then, you know, that's where they go. Just to show you how it appears on the Grade Center, you will go to the full Grade Center, and the quiz will actually appear right there, Grains Quiz. So that is imported directly from Yuja. So just another tool for you guys to use during the semester, and hopefully you found it useful. It's a very quick tutorial. There are so many other uses that Yuja has, but this is for your purposes. Hopefully you have enjoyed it and you will find it useful.